Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, PCG Research. On Wednesday, the bulls got some respite after the continuous hammering of the bears. However, macro data has begun to become more sensitive as markets draw closer to the event of the Federal Reserve's annual meeting at the Jackson Hole. The dollar index was marginally lower at 108.50. However, Brent jumped to the levels of $101 per barrel, and the 10-year bond yield is at 3.10, which is slightly higher from the previous close of 3.05. Asian markets are positive and Singapore Nifty is trading 70 points higher. The positive part of the day is that FIs have balanced long positions and short positions on the FNO segment, and PCR is still at 0.84. For the current series, the market will remain extremely volatile in the or within the narrow trading range of 17,750, 17,500. As we are going to see higher opening for the market, we need to be careful around 17,700, 17,750. There, in fact, we should look for taking profit on long positions. If there is any correction and if we see any reversal formation, then only one can enter into the long positions or just be stock specific during the day. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw a consistent activity. In fact, Bank Nifty was doing much better than the performance of the Nifty. We saw activity in almost all the banks, private as well as PSU. Especially private banks did well in yesterday's trading session. We saw activity in Axis as well as ICICI Bank. Technically, the Bank Nifty is again now heading towards the levels of 39,300 or maybe 39,500. There the Bank Nifty is having strong resistance. There we should look for reducing some long positions, and unless and until the Bank Nifty is not crossing 39,800, we are going to see range bound sort of activity. So there we need to be a little bit careful. For the Nifty IT index, there is hardly any major change. In fact, it was sluggish and down. So there we are expecting some sideways activity, and I think till the event is not closing on the positive note, we are not going to see any major activity in the Nifty IT index. But for Nifty Auto Index, yes, there we can see some upward activity because number of stocks including Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, they recovered from the lower levels. Maruti did well, and 2 days back when the Nifty Auto Index was down, there we saw bar reversal sort of activity. So we are expecting furthermore activity from the Nifty Auto Basket. That's all from my side, and with this I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.